This is VX, and we're going to be talking about the Mora, and got one tip broke on one, then I got some rust on the other, and I discovered Patina, or Patina, and I've got the blade darker that way. Got us a storm coming. We'll take a quick look at that. And I thought I'd show you how high this corn is. Ah!
Probably stand on this piece. Not going to though.
Jim, break that so easily, Jim.
Let's see what you're doing now.
I'm just looking at some stuff here, but I'll get to carving right about now. I'll show you how you carve. He's doing it the wrong way. I'll show you how you really carve. Earth.
I sharpened it.
Clipper. You sharpened it?
Yeah, a lot.
That was pretty sharp when it came, wasn't it?
Yeah. I dulled it.
You dulled it a little?
Yeah, this is probably like my fifth
Let's
one.
show that. Yeah, that one is.
See, it has all the scratches and whatnot from doing stuff like this.
Yeah.
I broke the tip.
How do you do that?
I don't remember. Probably dropping it or something.
Let me see it. I didn't even know you could break those very easy. Well, it doesn't really hurt anything, does it?
Well, the tip's most fragile.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, see? Kind of like that.
Whoa.
Yeah, it does something, doesn't it?
Down a bit.
So how far are you going down here, Jim?
So where the edges meet, and then I don't know how I'll do it, then I'll make an edge here where it'll carve back.
That one's probably not as comfortable as your other one, is it?
Huh.
Not really. The handle's too short.
Huh.
Let's see. And what? Look, isn't that interesting? You can see how far it penetrated something, and then that's
where it stopped.
Yeah.
You probably left dirt on it.
That there was probably not the best idea, putting that through there, because what it did was splint it. Make sure the red circle is on the screen.
It's on.
Okay. Say we're carving sticks.
We're carving sticks. Here.
This thumb guard prevents carving like that very easily. It's the only thing. You can push like that, but pushing like that, kind of a pain. Now the bottom one makes sense. Well, here's the Mora clipper, and the sheath is about 20 times better than this Mickey Mouse outfit that they cut down. Looks better than that. Now this one actually got some rust, so we put it in lemon juice to get the patina. So let's take a look at it. That's wrapped in lemon juice. Starting to get a nice dark color. Now the surface rust, I tried steel wool, and it didn't work right, so I got the largest scrubbing pad I could get. This is really heavy duty, and it just took it right off there. Steel wool just did about nothing. I did a little bit, but not much. There's just the regular steel. I don't know if that really shows up much. out of the two. The blade size is very similar. T, what'd you bring home, huh? Rabbit? Did he get that?
Yes, he did.
Wow, you're a good hunter, T. You got him, didn't you? You gotta get in there.
Catch of the day.
Hey, that's a good dog.
Yeah, he went and
So is that more a sharp?
Yes.
At least for now it is, right?
Yeah, I like it better than my knives.
You know that? Yeah, actually that's a cheaper knife. I think that one was like 12.
My set was 20. Hello.
Your set was 20? These lasers?